दहिवाद शिरपूर येथील SRB इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल इथं आज दिनांक 1 ऑगस्ट लोकमान्य टिळकांच्या पुण्यतिथीनिमित्त लोकमान्य यांच्या प्रतिमेला पुष्पहार अर्पण करत जागर लोकमान्य टिळकांच्या विचारांचा हा कार्यक्रम शाळेत साजरा करण्यात आलाय। शाळेतील विद्यार्थ्यांसमोर लोकमान्य टिळक यांच्या जीवन प्रवासाचे वर्णन मांडण्यात आले। शाळेतील छोट्या चिमुकल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी लोकमान्य टिळकांच्या जीवनातील अनेक गोष्टी आपल्या भाषणात सांगितल्या। त्यासह शाळेचे उपक्रमशील उपशिक्षक शत्रुघ्न गौड, भटू धाकड यांनी लोकमान्य टिळकांचे चरित्र व योगदान हे आपल्यासाठी का महत्त्वाचे ठरेल हे आपल्या भाषणात मांडले। या कार्यक्रमासाठी प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून SRB इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष भाग्यलक्ष्मी बाविस्कर, चेअरमन डॉक्टर धीरज बाविस्कर, संचालिका मानसी बाविस्कर, मानव संसाधन अधिकारी प्रवीण देशमुख, शाळेचे प्राचार्य सुभाष पटले, पूर्व प्राथमिक विभागाचे मुख्याध्यापिका निवेदिता दुबे, शाळेचे शिक्षक, शिक्षिका व शिक्षकेतर कर्मचारी उपस्थित होते। या संपूर्ण कार्यक्रमाचे सूत्रसंचालन प्रशांत अहिरे यांनी केले, तर आभार प्रदर्शन भाग्यश्री पटले यांनी केले।
In history, you have learned about Lokmanya Tilak, when he was born, where he was born, and what is his full name, right? But some important events of his life you have to aware about it. And most important is that if we read about Lokmanya Tilak, that we find there are 8 types of intelligence. Some students, some persons are about words, language, so he is a great freedom fighter. But with them, with it, he is also a good writer. That's why he has started Kesari and Maratha. Then he has started Ganesh festival also and Shiv Jayanti also. You know, in all over India and Maharashtra, we celebrate Shiv Jayanti on a large scale and Ganesh festival also. So why he started Ganesh festival? We have to remember it. So he is a good leader also. And
23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. His father's name was Gangadhar Tilak and mother's name was Parvati Bai. During his childhood, Lokmanya Tilak was a brilliant student. The famous slogan is Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak also started newspapers like Kesari and Maratha. Kesari becomes very popular with people. He also gathered people by organizing many books on Indian history, culture or Hindu. Such a great freedom fighter passed away in 1 August 1920. Thank you.
Honorable Principal Sir, respected teacher and my dear friends. Today we are talking about Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 in the Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra. Lokmanya Tilak was more commonly known as Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was the important leader in the Indian independence movement. He was the called father of Indian unrest and was compared with the title of Lokmanya, which means accepted by the people of their leader. He was one of the first and the strongest educators. Swaraj is my self-proof. He is a famous of God. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall